Hey YouTube, Jack is back with Tuesday Twos. It's been a while, but hey, we got some this week. Anyway, we got 5 lovebirds. Yeah, you know how that is. Lovebirds, that's what we're looking for. Lovebirds, for some reason. I've also got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the money roll. And I have an 8, a 9, 8, 9, 14, and 15. Also money roll. Why? I don't know. It's just what we have. So let's see if we can find some winners on the money roll. Money roll? What are we doing? Looking for a money roll. That's pretty good. They named it what you're looking for. Anything else doesn't matter. We need money rolls. If we find 1 money roll, we get the prize under it. Find 2 money rolls, we get the prize under each of those money rolls. If we find 7 money rolls, we get the prize under each money roll plus an extra $2. Yeah, that's what that prize legend's for. How many extra money rolls? You get a little extra bonus if you find more than 1. Or more than 6. Actually, you gotta find more than 6. Stupid pig. And first one has absolutely no money rolls on it. Let's try the next one. No money rolls. And no money rolls. Well, what penny are we using? I don't have any idea. Let's take a look. U.S. Navy nuclear attack sub. Wow, that's a good penny. It should at least find us a win here because it's a nuclear sub or nuclear, whatever you want to call it. Can we find a money roll? Well, I'd like to find a bunch of them, but it'd be nice to just find one. Well, we got 2. 2 money rolls. 3 money rolls. 4 5 6 1 more. We're in the legend area. 7 8 we have 8 money rolls. That's an extra $3 onto our prize. And what's our prize going to be? Might as well find out. 2 4 6 8 10 11 12 13 14 17 and another 3 is a $20 winner on a money roll. Yeah, we're rolling along. Ticket number 14 comes through for us with the win. Oh, sorry, ticket number 15. Huh, I thought we were on 14. Now we're going to ticket number 3. Let's see if we can do this again. It would be nice to find more money rolls. Not there. And not on that one. Well, at least I don't miss any matching numbers on this game, do I? Oh, we got 1 money roll. Can we find more? 1 money roll. 2 money rolls. And we didn't make it into the legendary area, but we'll find something nice anyway. 2 and 4. A $4 winner on that one. Okay, let's keep this going. We had $18 with this, so we're already in a profit zone for money rolls. Can we find some more? On money rolls. No. Last one. Well, this is our last money roll. We didn't find one on the top row or on the bottom. Well, that's a lot of losers, but we did find 2 winners, including a very nice $20 win. On to the lovebirds, where we're looking for arrows, and the birds are the double symbol, and the XOs the win 20. Once again, another find the symbol game. Hopefully we find the winning symbols. Cupcake is not one of them. Time we see that heart, I think we have an arrow, but it isn't an arrow. It's just an arrow through a heart. That doesn't count. Candy, marshmallow, and a gift. And so much for that. Out of here. Nothing. And no. Anything more? We have an arrow. Arrow is a winner. Look at that. We've got 2 arrows. Oh, pierce my heart. Let's see what we have hunting on this one. $4. Well, nice. Hoping for more. Haven't found a lovebird yet. Haven't found that doubler symbol. Not there either. This is our last chance. Come on, lovebird, show yourself. And nothing. Well, we did find 3 winners for $28 back. Out of $28 spent. That's break even. We'll take that any day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this for Tuesday. And have a great day.